Okay, I'm going to show you how to create a token on Hexel and link it to your Discord server. So here I am on the Hexel homepage, and I can go to this drop-down menu and click Create a Token. The name for the token will be Demo Token, and a symbol can just be DT, and then I'll enter a number of tokens to start. So how about 10,000? Now I can choose which wallet I'd like to use. I can choose my wallet, which is my MetaMask wallet that I'm using to deploy the token, or I can use the Hexel wallet. And this is a wallet that holds your tokens for you and connects to all of Hexel's services. And this is what lets you send tokens using Discord. So I'll choose this. If it's a new account and you haven't verified your address yet, this is signing a message to verify your ETH account. So you can just click sign. And then here we go. We're ready to deploy our token. So we've got demo token here, we've got the initial supply, and we can just go ahead and submit in MetaMask. And this will take a little bit depending on network traffic. It's actually a pretty congested day, so I'll cut the video here and then resume it once the token is done deploying. This usually takes a few minutes. Okay, so our token deployment is done. So we'll go ahead and go to the page, and we can see we have the demo token here. And we can also see that we have the token in our wallet. So if we go to the account settings page, we can see here that there's an option to link a Discord account. So I'm going to go ahead and click that so that I can link my Discord account to Hexel. And so you can see it comes over to Discord. You can go ahead and authorize. And there you go. You are verified with Discord. And I can continue to go back to my settings, but we also now see this button here, want to link a token to a Discord server you own. Click the button below. So I can go ahead and click that, and I actually get a menu of tokens that I've created, and I can click here and go through the process of linking, but I'll just show you one other way that we can link our token, which is from the token page. If we click edit, we see that same button. So in either scenario, if we click the link to Discord server button and we choose a server that we own, and I have this Discord server Hexel demo that I'm going to link my token to, we can click submit, and we've successfully linked this token to this Discord server. Now the final step to integrating our token with Discord is inviting the Hexel bot into our server. So if I click invite bot, I can see that this Hexel bot exists, and I can go ahead and choose to invite him into my server as well. And if I authorize that I'm not a robot, it's great. And I just heard the notification, so we should be all set. If we go over to our Discord server, we can see that Hexel bot joined the server. Now the final thing to do here is I'll just show you a few commands that you can do with the bot. The first is the help command. And if we do that, the bot will tell us what we can do. Now, right now, there's only really three main things you can do with the bot. You can check the balance of any user using the balance command. You can send tokens using the send command, or you can see the token leaderboard using the leaderboard command. So first, I'll go ahead and check my balance by typing an exclamation point, and then balance, and then I will tag myself. If I do that, the bot will say balance for John is 10,000 DT, which is right. Now I can also send tokens by saying send. I'll send 1,000 tokens to Marcus. And the bot will go ahead and say sent 1,000 tokens to Marcus. Now I can also check the balance for Marcus to verify that those were sent. And as you can see, Marcus now has 1,000 demo tokens. And the final command we have with the bot is the option to check the leaderboard. So I'll just check the leaderboard, and there you go. You can see my demo account has 9,000 and Marcus has 1,000. And this will show up to the top 10 holders of your token. We can see that this is right on our page. If we refresh, you can see that I have 9,000 tokens and Marcus has 1,000. And we can also verify that in our wallet. We can see that I have 9,000 tokens, and we can see the two transactions. So That's it. There you have it. That's how you can create your own ERC20 token on Ethereum and integrate it with your Discord server to send around with your community. Thanks.